Hi there, and in this video we're going to look at Oxiracetam. Okay, so this is another nootropic from the racetam family. This time it's Oxiracetam. Now, compared to Anoracetam, I would consider this to be a little bit stronger. And it's not to say it's going to affect your sleeping. This is still something that you could take once a day without any kind of problems. It doesn't have the happy side effect of the mood boost that Anoracetam does. I believe it's around the same sort of price range as Anoracetam, so we're still looking at the sort of £15-ish for this kind of tub. You can check out some of the details here. Again, I got this one from Absorb Health, but you'll be able to find it elsewhere online. I'm not using Absorb Health for this at the moment. So, as with most nootropics, what you find is you look back on the day and you've been more productive, you've achieved more, that kind of thing. It's not something which you feel sort of wash over you or anything like that. Like some of them, you do feel a kind of wave of clarity wash over you. This isn't one of those kind of ones, but it's milder, and for me, I feel like everyday use is fine on this. And in some of my other videos, I go through stronger stuff. So do your research. Check this one out online and see if it works for you. There's lots of racetam nootropics, and they all have slightly different sort of effects. So it may well be that you can experiment with different ones, or just read up on them and see which one kind of works for you. Once in the morning, one tablet in the morning is how I tend to take it when I do. And I'm not noticing any kind of effects on like sleep or anything like that in the evening. Like, I can sleep just fine after taking it. So there you go, Oxiracetam, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.